I ran into this last week, here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to unlink a bank account from DoorDash, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app. Launch the DoorDash app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the account icon, usually located in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. Step 3. Select Payment Methods. In the Account Settings menu, find and select Payment Methods. This will show you all the payment options linked to your account. Step 4. Choose the bank account. Locate the bank account you want to unlink. Tap on it to access more options, including the Unlink feature. Step 5. Confirm unlinking. After selecting the bank account, look for the Remove or Unlink button. Confirm your choice when prompted to finalize the process. If you accidentally tap the wrong account, you can always go back to the payment method screen to try again. Now you're all set. Unlinking a bank account on DoorDash is straightforward. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.